Welcome back to Behind the Orders, your guide to navigating the family court. We hope you have found our videos useful in helping you navigate the WA family law maze. Today, we're talking about something crucial for every self-represented litigant, your evidence strategy. Before we start, always remember, this guide provides general information for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. To start with, let's look at why evidence matters. Your affidavit isn't just your story, it's how you provide proof to the court with a clear purpose. When you're in the family court, whether it's for parenting matters or property disputes, the judge needs facts to make decisions. Think of it like this. Anyone can say something happened, but evidence, like documents, photos, or messages, helps to show it happened. In property matters, they look at contributions, financial and non-financial, and future needs, aiming for a just and equitable outcome. Your evidence helps them understand these critical areas in your specific situation. This makes your claim stronger and more believable, moving beyond mere assertion to substantiated fact. You want to make it easy for the judge to understand your case. We highly recommend grouping your evidence by the specific legal issues the court needs to decide. For parenting matters, the judge focuses on the best interests of the child, guided by specific factors in the law. Now that we know the why, let's shift our focus to the so what test. The court is focused on specific legal questions, guided by legislation. This means your evidence must directly relate to these questions to be effective. If you can't answer that, it might not be relevant, and you should consider leaving it out. This so what test will keep your affidavit focused and impactful. Here's a powerful tip. For every piece of information or evidence you consider including, ask yourself, how does this fact help the judge address one of the specific legal factors in my case? The next important thing is organizing your evidence. Let's take a sneak peek. A long, rambling affidavit filled with unnecessary details makes it harder for the judge to find the crucial information. A key part of a strong evidence strategy is organization. For example, in parenting matters, you might group evidence related to 1. Safety and protection from harm. 2. The child's views. 3. Developmental, psychological, emotional, and cultural needs. 4. Parental capacity. And 5. The benefit of relationships with parents and significant others where safe. In property matters, you'd focus on 1. Financial contributions. 2. Non-financial contributions. And 3. Future needs. Now let's talk about what not to include. Just as important as what to include is what not to include. Here are a few things to generally avoid. 1. Opinions or arguments. Your affidavit is for facts you know to be true. 2. Hearsay. Avoid including what someone else told you, as generally this isn't allowed as evidence. 3. Irrelevant information. If a fact or document doesn't directly support a specific legal issue, leave it out. 4. Emotional language. While your situation is personal, keep the language in your affidavit factual, objective, and neutral. Strategically avoiding common pitfalls will keep your evidence strong, focused, and credible. Save your opinions or legal arguments for when you make submissions to the court. I hope that this information has been helpful to you. This video is just a quick overview. Building a compelling and effective evidence package requires a deeper dive into strategy and detail. We've prepared a comprehensive guide to help you further. It covers everything from how to prepare your trial affidavit to detailed examples of evidence for each legal issue and how to effectively organize your annexures and exhibits for clarity. Don't navigate the complexities of family court evidence alone. For the complete Western Australia edition, your evidence strategy guide, visit www.briefmycase.com.au today. That's www.briefmycase.com.au. Thanks for watching. We're here to help you get organized, and until next time, watch out for what is behind those orders.